Little Fox.
Meet the Animals, Episode 7, Great Horned Owl. Hello. Who are you?
I'm a great horned owl. We are raptors. Raptors are birds that hunt.
Where do you live?
Great horned owls live in many places. We like forests, tundra, and even cities. We often make nests in tree holes.
How do you hunt?
We can fly without making a sound. Our eyes help us see in the dark.
I see your sharp claws.
We use our sharp claws to kill prey. Our claws help us carry food, too.
What do you eat?
We eat mice, raccoons, and sometimes skunks. We swallow our prey whole. Then we spit up the bones and fur.
Are those horns on your head?
No, they are just tall feathers. But these feathers look like horns.
Do you have any enemies?
Sometimes crows gather around us. They call loudly and chase us. It's getting dark. Time to hunt. Hoo, hoo, hoo.
Goodbye, Great Horned Owl.
재미가 쏠쏠, 영어가 술술. 리틀팍스.